What's up, boys? Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how I lost 1,100 bucks, 1,000 bucks, whatever it was. I forgot. I'm just kind of pissed that I took this trade, and I'll tell you guys why. So, obviously, this was a trade. Um, I actually got filled more down here, so this was a trade, and not the greatest, not the greatest at all. So, why did I take this trade? So market opens. Market opens right here, and we get immediate legs down. Usually I'm looking for a 1 hour fair value gap or 1 hour liquidity to get filled or 15-minute highs to get taken out since we are so overextended. But today I changed it up and I saw these weekly highs get taken out from a while ago during market. And then I saw these get taken out. And immediately I was like, okay, that's complete bearish confidence. And I was super confident in the bearish, a little bit too confident. And I probably shouldn't have traded today. I've been fucking stressed. I got a lot of shit to do today, so this might be a little bit quicker. But, anyways, what happens? It takes out this high from the weekly. This is a weekly high from this week's whole trading. And immediately I was like, okay, bearish. And then, what else? It took out all of these hourly highs, completely filled this hourly fair value gap. That was on NASDAQ. It didn't completely fill it. On ES, it did, though. Completely filled it right here. And I was immediately thinking, we are going to get a huge fucking downtrend. So, what happens? We get a 5-minute break of structure. I saw this 5-minute break of structure and I was literally jizzing in my pants. It was actually, I was really, really willing to take a trade. So I saw this. So I look at the 15-minute. We have this for TP1. We have this for another TP, this for another TP, this for another TP. We have this. We have this on ES. Then we have this. Go down to the 1-minute time frame. I was so ready to get into a trade today that I didn't even care for the 5-minute because the 5-minute swept. It already did a retrace when it hit the fair value gap. So I was expecting full bearish confirmation. So what happens? We have this fair value gap on the 1-minute get inversed. And it gets pushed into. I didn't enter off of it because it was my first TP was right here, this green one. And my stops would have been right here. I literally wouldn't have been able to get in with a good risk to reward. So then, what happens? Goes up again. And I'm like, okay, maybe I can get in this time. I get in right here. So instead of being a knowledgeable trader and not being a dumbass, I, should have targeted right here. I don't know why I didn't. Instead, what did I do? I saw that 5-minute break of structure right here. I saw this get broken. I saw this fair value gap get broken. I was expecting this 15-minute fair value gap to get broken. What did I do? I targeted fucking down here. I shot for the moon. Literally. 4.79 risk reward. Should we expect that on a Friday? Fuck no. Why did I do this? I have no idea. I am very fucking special needs for doing this, No offense if anyone is, but or if anyone knows anyone. But look at this. Bam. Cool. We're getting legs down. More legs. Yeah, this is going to hit take profit. That's immediately what I was thinking. Get a little retrace. I was still a little confident in this. It was just taking out people who got in right here and then who got out right here. I was still very confident. And guess what it does? Hits TP1. Dicks to the upside. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, this isn't going to work. Why? All those emotions came flooding in. I should have targeted this 15-minute fair value gap. Instead of being an absolute idiot and targeting all the way fuck down here, 134 ticks, expecting it to go down that far. So I got very dumb. So right here, this should have been my trade. 1.46 risk to reward, in, out. As you can see, how long does trade take? 7 minutes. My trades last 5 to 10 minutes. Perfect. But no, I decided to target all the way down here, shoot for the moon. And guess what? It didn't work because why the fuck would it work? And my stops, I didn't have them exactly right here. I had them a couple of ticks higher. So let's say, I think it was like right there. So when this happens, hits TP1, I'm like, okay, we're fucked. Look at this. This is what happened. Yep, it was right here. It was one tick above. And I didn't get stopped out yet. Still in the trade. Start to get bearish legs. I'm like, okay, cool. I might see a little bit more. Nope. Boom, 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 boom. Stopped the fuck out. Right here. Stopped out. And that was my trade. I took a loss. Lost around 1,000. Over 1,000 for this. And I don't know why I did it. But I did. And I was very fucking stupid. And I should have targeted right here. Because I would have tightened up stop loss if I targeted right there. And guess what? It would have worked in my time that I wanted to trade from. But that didn't happen. And look at this. NASDAQ already took out everything. By the time when I want... Oh, fuck. I did it on weekly. Oops. By the time I was wanting to enter... It's like right here. This wasn't really one of my strategies, and I'll tell you what I really should have done today. Look, this is what NASDAQ was looking like. It already took out TP1. And ES took out TP1 as well. NASDAQ was way farther down. I was looking for an entry for it to get down to here. Doesn't happen. It hits it. 843, 843, 844. Matching perfectly. This should have been my trade. I should have won today. But instead, I got really stupid. I didn't follow my rules. I didn't do exactly what I should have done. And I just got dumb. And choppy price action this entire time. Up, down, up, down, up, down. The entirety of the day. And it was just going up. Right after it would have hit my take profit one. But I didn't want to put my take profit there because I just got idiot and I became an idiot and I became tripped up. And that's going to happen. It's going to happen to the best of us and stuff like that. And honestly, I probably shouldn't have even taken a trade today. I should have probably went like this. Boom. This hourly fair value barely got touched on NASDAQ. This should have been my real bias. 15 hourly finally gets touched. It's 9:15 when it happens. No trades. No trades. It should have been a no trading day, but instead I traded and became an idiot. And this was a super obvious trade for me, just to take right away and be done. This trade, and I'm mad that I moved my take profit to where I did. I'm not mad that I took the trade, if that makes sense. This was a perfect trade to take. This was. Perfect trade to take. This was probably one of the only trades that you would have wanted to take for today. You could have even tightened stop loss to like right here, if you're really feeling like your balls were like on fire or something. And here's a 5-minute when this happened. It was all looking good. It looked like very clean price action. Guess what? You could have targeted. This would have been the low on the 15-minute, or the low of the fair value gap, and then bam. You get hit, and you're out, and you're done for the day. But instead, everything had to peak, and we just were not following our goals today. And I just fucking yawned, and I'm pissed, and oh my god, yeah. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Very idiotic trade for take profit wise. Other than that, it was good. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys learned something from this on how to not lose your money. So, yep, that's all I got for you guys. Peace.